Hello everyone. In this session we will be learning the concept of trigonometry where one ratio of trigonometry how can we convert into other one. Okay? So it's a very simple concept, but before we learn the concept, first of all let us know the formulae. Like if I consider sine theta and the cos theta as the two ratios, these are the, let me tell you, the basic ratios of all the trigonometric ratios, right? That means all the ratios like tan theta, which can be written as sine theta upon cos theta, then cot theta, which can be written as cos theta upon sine theta, cosec theta, which is 1 upon sine theta, and sec theta, which is 1 upon cos theta. That means all the remaining ratios other than sine and cos can be easily converted into sine and cos. So these two ratios are the basic ratios what I can consider right now. Fine. Using few identities, we can easily convert one ratio into the other one, any ratio into the other, any other one. So the identities I hope you know: sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, tan square theta, difficult identity, sec square theta minus 1, sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Then cot square theta, again a difficult identity, which is cosec square theta minus 1, and cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Using these two set of formulae, we can convert any trigonometric ratio into any other one. So let's check a simple example. Example number 1. Convert sine theta into cos theta. To sine theta into cos theta, I can directly write it basically. What is sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Take a root of both the side. I get sine theta is equals to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Now I have converted sine into completely cos. So this is what is expected in the question. Imagine if I have a second question in this manner. Convert sine into tan. Okay, sine theta into tan theta. Shall we go for it? Sine theta into tan theta. That means I have to write sine theta as equal to something as a function of tan or some expression of tan, right? So सबसे पहले what I have to do here, to convert sine into tan, I can convert sine into maybe cos right now. So it can be 1 minus cos square theta, root of 1 minus cos square theta. What is, by the way, cos square theta is? Can I convert it as 1 upon sec square theta? Right? Isn't it? And then if I cross multiply, do I get it like sec square theta minus 1 upon sec square theta? And that's it, converted into tan theta. कैसे हो जाएगा देखो, sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta and sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So isn't it everything got converted into tan? इसका एक easy way भी है. I just took it in a really difficult way. Easy way भी देखते हैं. Isn't it? I want it in a tan theta, so I can use the formula for tan. जैसे कि tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta, right? Now, isn't I need sin theta in form of tan theta, so I can shift this particular cos theta the other side, right? So what is sin theta is equals to? Sin theta is equals to cos theta into tan theta. This already tan theta we have, just cos theta convert karo. Isn't it cos I can write as sec theta, 1 upon sec theta. So this will be tan theta upon sec theta. And sec theta can be easily written as, देखो sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta, so sec theta is 1 root of 1 plus tan square theta. ठीक है, is this clear? So basically what you must know, if sin square theta is equals to 1 plus cos square 1 minus cos square theta, then sin theta is equals to root of it. Okay, that one should understand. ठीक है, for all the ratios. If you want to cancel this square, you can easily write the root of it. So that one should understand. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. We will solve some more questions of similar category so that you will find it better. चलो देखते हैं. Can I write cosec theta into cos theta? Okay, any ratio into any other ratio. So I can do that easily. I can do. तो कैसे कर सकते हैं? cosec theta, देखो the two options we have. One option is either using this identity and second option is either using this identity. So anything is okay. So I am going to find out the closest path. So cosec theta I got it as 1 upon sin theta, and sin theta I can easily convert into cos theta, isn't it? So 1 upon root of 1 minus cos square theta. That's it. So cosec I got it converted into cos square theta. Is this clear? If I want to write sec theta into cot theta, if I want it in cot theta, how will I go for it? तो sec का पेयर पॉसिबल क्या है? cos है and tan है, because sec can be converted as 1 upon cos or sec can be converted as 1 upon tan. 1 plus root of 1 plus tan square. And who is close to cot? Is it tan is close to cot or cos is close to cot? Of course, tan is close to cot, isn't it? Because we know that tan is 1 upon cot, right? So I'll convert first of all sec into tan and then into cot. So sec theta is equals to sec को tan में कैसे कर सकते हैं? रूट ऑफ 1 plus tan square theta. And tan को easily I can convert it into cot, so it will be 1 upon cot square theta. That's it. I got converted sec theta into directly cot theta. Finished. So very easy. So very easy. Simple, right? आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो वैसे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हम लोग कर सकते हैं. तो इफ आई वॉन्ट टू कन्वर्ट tan इंटू साइन, हमने साइन को tan में किया था, अभी tan इंटू साइन में करना है. ठीक है, कर सकते हैं. चलो देखते हैं tan का सबसे क्लोजेस्ट कौन है. मुझे लगता है cot भी हो सकता है एंड sec भी हो सकता है. तो sec इज क्लोज, sec का क्लोज है cos, एंड cos से डायरेक्टली हम लोग साइन को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. तो tan थीटा sec में कन्वर्ट करो तो इट विल बी sec स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1, राइट. अभी इसका मतलब क्या बन जाएगा बताओ जरा फटाफट. इट विल बी इक्वल टू sec को cos में कन्वर्ट करो तो इट वुड बी इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी इक्वल टू, if I cross multiply, 1 minus cos square theta upon cos square theta. What is 1 minus cos square theta? Of course sin square theta. And cos को भी sin में convert करो 1 minus sin square theta. So this can be done. Another option we have is a easy वाला option. How is tan is equals to? Is it sin upon cos? तो sin theta तो ओके है. cos को sin में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? डायरेक्टली 1 minus cos sin square theta. That's it. So tan got converted into sin, right? So that's it. This is what is very simple concept. You can practice some more questions from the textbook. Very easy questions those are. If you don't get it, let me know. Fine. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.